Hello friends, this is Alexey. PCIM Europe starts today and I'm looking forward to see you in Hall 7 at booth 520. Besides, don't forget to join my presentation at the Exhibitor Forum on May 12 at 1:45 p.m. See you in person. And now, let's check what is new in power semiconductors industry. Soltron Devices introduced 1200-volt silicon carbide low-on resistance MOSFET. Complemented a strong offering of high-voltage MOSFETs for high reliability military applications, Solitron is expanding its silicon carbide product offering for demanding commercial and industrial applications. It is ideally suited for electric vehicles, renewable energy, motor drive, induction heating, and high-voltage power supply applications. Lippers Semiconductor introduced the demo inverter platform using the latest HPD series silicon carbide MOSFET power modules. By using 1200-volt HPD silicon carbide MOSFET power modules, this water-cooled inverter reached peak power over 400 kW. During the testing stage, this demo inverter has been successfully tested in a mortal load reaching over 650 amps RMS. This inverter will be an ideal solution for electric passenger vehicles, commercial vehicles, heavy trucks and construction machinery. It is compatible with 400 and 850-volt e-drive systems. Lippers Semiconductor offers this demo inverter to its customers to evaluate the HPD series silicon carbide MOSFET power modules. Infineon Technologies launched the new trench-stop 1700-volt IGBT7 chip in the standard industrial package EconoDUAL 3. With this new chip technology, the EconoDUAL 3 provides a leading current of 900 and 750 amps and enables an improved power range for inverters. This module targets a wide range of applications, including wind, drive, and static var generators. Compared to modules with the previous IGBT4 chipset, the IGBT7 chip enables up to 40% higher inverter output current in the same package size. Soitec has released its first 200mm silicon carbide SmartSiC wafer. With the release, Soitec is able to enlarge its silicon carbide product portfolio beyond 150mm, take the development of its SmartSiC wafers to the next level and cater to the growing demand of the automotive market. The SmartSiC substrate in 200mm emerged from Soitec's pilot line at its Substrate Innovation Center in Grenoble. The release enables Soitec to demonstrate the quality and performance of a 200mm SmartSiC wafer and conduct a first round of key customer validations. DENSO Corporation in United Semiconductor Japan, a subsidiary of global semiconductor foundry United Microelectronics Corporation, announced that the companies have agreed to collaborate on the production of power semiconductors at USJC's 300mm fab in order to serve the growing demand in the automotive market. IGBT line will be installed at USJC's wafer fab, which will be the first in Japan to produce IGBTs on 300mm wafers. DENSO will contribute its system-oriented IGBT device and process technologies, while USJC will provide its 300mm wafer manufacturing capabilities to bring 300mm IGBT process into mass production, scheduled to start in the first half of 2023. II-VI Incorporated announced that it will extend its iron implanter disc refurbishing services to Asia, with a multi-million-dollar expansion in Taiwan, which is expected to come online in July 2022. The acute shortages of semiconductor devices in the global supply chain are driving the strong demand for refurbishment of wafer fabrication equipment. The expansion in Taiwan will effectively double II-VI's global disc refurbishing capacity. Batch implanter tool owners in Asia will benefit from a rapid turnaround service that will enable them to maintain their tools in operation and sustain their production output. Join STMicroelectronics for a one-hour webinar where its experts will share insights and discuss the major trends in car electrification, highlighting the fundamental role of power semiconductors in electric vehicles. In addition to a high-level overview of the topologies, they will look at the new features and requests from car makers and explore how power semiconductors can help automotive engineers improve performance and find more cost-effective designs. You will learn how the innovative new features of ST's power portfolio can help engineers successfully meet today's design challenges in terms of technologies, packaging, and reliability. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more market news coming next week. Meanwhile, go to my blog for more information or join me in social media. Keep in touch.